Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for my She's Crafty kits. I am in the home stretch. I'm on day 21 of this project. So I took a bunch of scrapbook kits, de-kitted them and re-kitted them to hopefully breathe a little bit of new life and inspiration into them. So that's what we have going here. I've got a piece of Cartabella cardstock. I've got this pink fresh houndstooth paper, a fab cut apart, another pink fresh in, like a watercolory vibe. We've got just some 6x6 pieces here that are plain colored, and then an Echo Park piece. Let's see. I've got a little birdie with some headphones on, some sequins, acrylic pieces, enamel dots, and I've got a few photo corners. Then, oh, but wait, I've got a couple of alphas and some Vicky Bouton. What are these? Which ones are these, guys? It's this set that has all of these kind of like journaling spots and stuff on it. So super cool, lots and lots of pieces. Let me show you the sketch I'll be using. So this was designed by Dana Terry, and it was day 21 for Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, series 13. It was a couple months back. I'm behind, I know. Great design because you can use it for any collection. We've got a block, and then we've got fishtail banners here. We've got, do whatever, like 3 clusters. That's a better way to put it. A little title there. Perfect. These look like tags. That looks like a big circle, fishtail banners. We'll see what I can do. And my photo, which I have to go and grab a scrap of white cardstock. This is my son, his fiance, her best friend, and her fiance at a Michigan State tailgate for the Michigan State foosball. Perfect. Now, what to do? We know we have this good sketch, right? We just need to pick a background. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as a cut apart. The backside's cool, but that's good. Just, like a cut apart kind of piece. This has all these eyeglasses, which it's so cool, but not what I need. This has a lot of interest for me, as does this, because I want to bring in a little bit of this deeper green because Michigan State is green and white. So I will, grab a couple of those elements for sure. So maybe I can do tags with those pieces. I don't know. I'm going to make sure to grab the greeny green on that. So, background. I'm going to have this piece for sure as a big block. I don't know if I'll get this one in or not. It might be in smaller doses. So let's get a big block started. So I need 2 pieces. So maybe I can bring in some of that houndstooth. Now, remember how I said I wanted to make sure to get green because, of our color sitch here. So we want it, that wide. Why not? And then making sure to concentrate on having green in there. Ooh, look at how cool the backside is. Okay, we have that. Now, the next piece, it's pretty much going to be like a shadowed version of that. So I can go like this. And of course, that will totally match, which I kind of dig. I can do something where we just see some of that white of the glasses and not really know what it is. I kind of like that idea. I think I'm going to do that. Okay. I'm going to have to gut this piece so that I have additional pieces to work with for my banner, my tags, circular bits, all of that. But we're going to make that work. I need to mat this. Great. And then from our cut apart, trying my best. Well, first of all, this is green and it's a ticket, so that totally works for like a football thing, right? You always need a ticket, although I don't even know if they went to the game. They may have just been tailgating. It's a thing here. Weekend, let's have fun. We can definitely grab that piece. So, like I said, I'm going to start on the green and then we'll see. And this collection, it's retail therapy, or this piece is retail therapy, life right now. But, we're just going sporty with it. It's fine. So we've got, this has some of that nice green that works. Hanging out with friends, near perfect for this. So yeah, this is just that process of what kind of works, what tells the story, what am I vibing. Now, you've come so far, you're doing better than you think. Okay, well, interesting. Green, green, green. I like that circular element because we've got a couple of circular elements. So I'm going to grab it. Don't know if I'm going to use it yet, but I'm going to grab it because that could, play that part. So happy together, the pea green. Road trip, they drove there. We don't live right next to the campus. I mean, it's not like a major roadie. It's like an hour and a half. Exploring, no, they knew exactly where they were going. Blah, 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 blah. Feel good playlist. I'm going to cut this out, because it has that green. But you know how it says playlist? I have this wonky little piece here. He has green headphones on, but that will help for the playlist. I'm sure they have music going. And then some of my arrows have a nice deep green as well. So we're totally going to be able to play it up. It'll be great. Dreamer doesn't really work. I can probably get some sequins in. Wonder if I have other photo corners. I'm going to see what colors I have. All right, I have black and white. I have a metallic copper. Black and white and metallic copper. I think I'd rather go metallic coppery color for this than the baby blue. Since, like I said, I'm going to really try to play up green where I can. I feel like I was just racing along to tell you guys my whole explanation. So these are my alphas right now. Guys, the kind of cool thing is I never know what I'm planning on doing when I start. So self-care, like I was just looking to the side, like there's pieces that I have from previous layouts and I can totally bring in anything that really works in this whole deep green vibe. Okay, so I might do MSU for me and you. That might be cute, like Michigan State University. Or I should just do MSU Tailgate. That would totally make sense. I've got metallic here. I also have some metallic-y letters, hold on, that I could do with these because they're a little smaller. I could do that, although they seem kind of refined. Maybe I'll go with that. This is cash. Okay, I've got homework, is my point. Then I'm going to go through all of these pieces. Ooh, this piece works. This piece works. With that greenish color again, I'm going to go through here, see what I can use. Now, I am using some of this peach. It's kind of like a peachy green. So I'm going to have tickets. I'm liking it. What's on this green one? Escape the ordinary. That works. Guys, so many of these pieces will work once you start doing the creating stuff. I love that. So let's grab that. So I'm going to just see what's peach and green. Why not? So I've escaped the ordinary. Adventure awaits. I think that would be fun. I mean, it's closer to the peachy color, right? Because we can get things on here. We can do this. Tickets are booked. You know how we have the tickets going? And I know this is supposed to be travel-y, but I'm thinking of it like, sporting tickets. Fun. Okay, guys, like I said, phew. I'm going to get some of these pieces on. I'm going to start building this out. Love that. And I'll meet you right back here when I have some pretty good traction. Guys, super quick check-in time. I have found so many pieces that work for this in a travel kind of collection. Like, I just can't even. So much of this deeper green that works. And I wanted to have a little pop of black in each one of my clusters. I haven't even, come up with my title, but I haven't even pulled my title yet. So before I go any further, I need to get some of these pieces tacked down, like just a library card because they're at a college campus. All of it is working. So cute, so fun. So I will put an acrylic-y piece in each of my clusters as well because that makes sense for me. And then, is there anything else? Anything else? Guys, we have enamel dots, a few sequins to look at. I don't think that these rainbows or my wood piece are going to work for this. That's fine. But I am going to get these pieces pop down. I'm going to get my title on. I still have yet to map my photo. I mean, I have it with white. I think I'll put a little bit of the peach on since we talked about, you know, doing a little bit of the peach vibe. Phew. Then once all that's on, we'll chat and I'll start looking through my previous bits and pieces to see if there's anything else I can use. It's going to be great. Just boom, boom, boom. We'll get it done. But already it's coming together. It's vibing, just kind of this piece right here. The sketch was perfect to use with this. I'm a lucky girl. So I've got these pieces on. I did end up pulling in a tone-on-tone alpha for the rest of my title. I wasn't feeling the multicolor title once I had all of these other pieces down because I kind of have a lot going on already. I'm going to put some black and white twine in because I do have some black touches on here. And I'll just do a little bit of a twirly twirl and, you know, one of these kind of things. And it'll end up looking just a little cute, a little bit of a fabric-y textile kind of a touch. So we'll get that going. I think I will maybe have it tuck around like that. Super cute. Okay, so we have that. I have some enamel dots. The only other thing I want to do is just look at my different little pieces that I have. Look at all the deep green I was able to pull in, guys. I'm going to look at any of these little bits and, oh, guys, where are, you guys know what I'm looking for. Where are those, actually, I'll just bring in the black. I remember I had photo corners I was going to bring in and I totally blew it. All right, photo corners, get that on there. Any little bits and pieces that will work. I've got to get my enamel dots on. Whew. I need flare. Oh my gosh. I need my flare and I'll come back and show you my finished layout. Okay guys, so easy peasy, simple sports layout. I did get some black and white fun little flare in here. They were all from the same flare kit. And they're from Scrap and Happy Studio because that is where my flare lives. Is there anything else? No, I do love the colors. I love that I got a lot of MSU green in here. Turned out green and peach. Who knows? I don't know. Leanne's face is kind of peach. I guess it works. Okay, guys, that's what I have. I'll have a few still shots to follow. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.